The trailer opens with a panoramic shot of a lush, vibrant jungle at dawn, filled with exotic flora and fauna. The music is serene and enchanting. The camera zooms in on the grand city of the apes, hidden within the dense jungle. The city is a marvel of natural architecture, with tree houses, rope bridges, and intricate stone carvings. The scene focuses on the majestic palace where King Rafiki, an elderly and wise ape, looks over his thriving kingdom. In the heart of the jungle lies a hidden empire where apes rule with wisdom and strength. The scene shifts to the bustling marketplace where we meet our hero, Kibo, a young and adventurous ape with a curious mind and a brave heart. Kibo is helping various apes and showing his quick wit and agility. Kibo's expressive eyes and playful nature immediately endear him to the audience. But even in the most harmonious of kingdoms, darkness lurks in the shadows. The tone shifts as a menacing group of rogue apes led by the cunning and power-hungry General Zorak plans to overthrow King Rafiki and take control of the empire. General Zorak's introduction is marked by dark, ominous music and scenes of him plotting with his followers in a hidden cave. When treachery threatens the throne, a young hero must rise. Kibo overhears Zorak's plan and decides to warn King Rafiki. A thrilling chase ensues as Kibo navigates through the jungle, evading Zorak's minions. He reaches the palace just in time to inform the king, who realizes the gravity of the situation. Rafiki entrusts Kibo with a crucial mission to gather allies from neighboring tribes, and embark on an epic journey to save his home. The trailer shows Kibo's journey through different terrains, including a dense jungle, a roaring river, and towering mountains. Along the way, he meets colorful and diverse characters, a wise old tortoise, a fierce lioness, and a clever parrot. Each ally brings unique skills and personality traits, and their interactions provide moments of humor and heartwarming camaraderie. With new friends by his side, Kibo will discover the true meaning of courage and friendship. Intense action scenes depict Kibo and his allies confronting Zorak and his army. The animation captures the excitement and tension with dynamic camera angles and vibrant colors. The battle scenes are filled with clever strategies, close calls, and heroic feats. Kibo's leadership and bravery shine as he inspires his allies to fight for their home. In the face of danger, one ape's determination will ignite a revolution. The climax reaches its peak as Kibo and Zorak face off in a dramatic showdown. With a combination of wit and strength, Kibo manages to outsmart Zorak and restore peace to the empire. The scene transitions to a joyous celebration in the city, with apes and their allies rejoicing. King Rafiki praises Kibo for his heroism, and Kibo's friends share a heartfelt moment of triumph. From the shadows of treachery to the dawn of a new era, witness the rise of a legend. The final shot shows Kibo standing on a high cliff, looking over the peaceful jungle, now a symbol of hope and unity. The title Empire of the Apes appears on the screen, followed by the release date. Disney Pixar proudly presents Empire of the Apes.